Today we're going to be making this card using the Lilypad Lake stamp set, actually the bundle, because we're using the Framelits. I'm using this heron, the Lilypad, and one of the sentiments, and I'm going to show you how to sponge the sky. I've already cut out my pieces, stamped these. I stamped these in Memento Black, by the way. I've got my card pieces cut. I also already embossed this one. This is embossed with the Seaside, I think is what it's called. But all the dimensions and products will be listed down below, so you'll be able to see that. But I'm going to take this small piece and grab a piece of scrap paper here. I'm going to show you how to stamp. First, I'm going to go ahead and stamp the water down the bottom, and I'm going to use Pool Party for that. So just ink this up, and I'm just going to make one stamp on the bottom. That's our water. I'm going to start with the sky. I'm going to sponge with Pineapple Punch, and I punched out a circle, a 1-inch circle, and I've already made one card, so that's why this is already colored, and it's got a little bit of sticky on the back, and I'm going to place that just right there. That for now, that's going to be my mask. And you'll just lightly take your sponge and your Pineapple Punch ink and gently rub that down to the paper. Now I'm going to be coloring over this with Mango Melody. And this is called a masking technique if you've never heard of it, in terms of using this sun. So then I'm going to grab my Mango Melody, and then I'm going to just lightly dab this one over, kind of give it an orange glow as well. Kind of mimicking a little bit of a sunset here. Okay, and I think I might do this just a little bit more right there. I think I'm happy with that. Okay, so then carefully peel off your mask, and you see you have this really fun, what would be the sun. I've already scored my card base. I'm going to grab my foam folder here. I'm going to put adhesive on the back. And I'm going to center that onto my card base. And then I'm going to go ahead and center this piece onto this other Smoky Slate layer. And then I'm going to place this onto my card front. Okay. So you see how we have that done now. Looks really nice. So now I'm going to grab my dimensionals. I have regular size and the mini ones. I'm going to put dimensionals on the back of my bird. One more on his body. Okay, so then we can peel off the backings. I'm just going to place him down right about there. Then for my saying here, I'm going to put some dimensional on the back for that as well. Place him right about there. And then I think what I'm going to do with my Lilypad here is I want to color this in. So I'm going to grab some of my Stampin' blends, and for this you can use whatever you have, but I'm going to start out with some of the greens. Actually, I think for the Lilypad I'm going to use the darker green. I'm going to use a lighter green for some of these smaller leaves. And then I'll go in with the pinks. On top of that, with the lighter, I'll put some dimensionals on the back of that. I kind of want to overlap it just a little bit, so that looks good. So there you have today's card. It's quick and simple, and that's how you do the masking technique. And you could tailor this card to be a get well, thinking of you. There's other sentiments. I made a sympathy card yesterday out of this one, and I used the thinking of you with loving thoughts and prayers to do a sympathy card. And then this sentiment was cut out using the stitched shapes, framelits I should say. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. If you have not already subscribed, please remember to hit the subscribe button below. If you need a catalog, feel free to message me in the comments below, and I will get one mailed to you as soon as possible. Until next time, have an incredible day.